Welcome to the channel Rekhanyas. We are drawing cartoon characters. Today we are drawing Tom Nook from the game Animal Crossing. At first we will learn how to draw the character and then we will learn the coloring. Have you ever noticed how many ovals are there in our Tom Nook character? Let's start our drawing and we will learn how to use this oval to draw our character. We are starting with the first oval of the head. And now we will draw one more oval shape for the nose. Now we are drawing a patch. Inside this patch we will draw our eyes. We have already drawn two ovals. Now we will draw one more oval for one eye and the fourth one for another eye. Now I will draw a cut mark here. The upper area will be the eyelid and in the lower area I will draw the eyeball. Time to draw one more oval. It is for the ear. We are not counting the ovals inside the ears. Now I will measure the head and up to the stomach it will be 2 heads. The stomach is an egg-shaped oval. And now I will draw the hands one by one. You see there are no any hard shape or any sharp edge in Tom Nook's character. All are soft rounded shapes except the pattern on the sweater that we will draw later on. This is the neck of his dress, I mean the sweater, and inside that the shirt's collar and the tie is visible. Time to draw his legs, and with the legs the character is more than 2 head size. And now one more oval for the tail. And this is the 10th oval. Now we will complete the design. Here we will draw the pattern. You can see the sharp edges of the design. Except this area, the overall character is very soft and smooth looking. Everywhere it is just circular, rounded and floppy. Very soft looking character. Now we will draw the pocket, and here is a pen. Okay, we are done with the sweater and a little bit detailing we will add and our character drawing is almost finished. So now you can draw the character easily. Okay, next we will color the character from the top to the bottom. Very softly and gently we will color our character. Friends, as you all know, Tom Nook is a game character. It's a 3D character. So we have to use color gradation to achieve the proper character. In this type of characters, we can't use flat colors. We have to mix 2 or 3 colors one by one. Everywhere we will use the same directional line to get a smooth and neat finish. Now just enjoy the coloring. Hey, we are very close to the finishing line. And with that color, our coloring process is done. Tom Nook character is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the process of this drawing and you can also give it a try. Friends, if you have any character in your mind you want me to draw, please write down the name in the comment box so in future I can draw them for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for my future videos. And thank you so much for watching.